May I please your lordship? My lord, a writ petition of mine, my lord, fixed on Monday next. I have filed an IA. Only this may be tagged with the main petition, my lord. Obliged.
I have to mention for voter item number 38.
38.
38. 38. 38.
Supply.
Lordship.
Okay.
Liberty to calculate.
Mr. Asia Ahmed, Land Council for the petition, has made a prayer for withdrawal of the petition.
There are talks of compromise going on in between the parties, Your Lordship. So can it be after 4 weeks, Your Lordship?
Okay. You are Mr.
J. Das, Your Lordship.
And is there anybody from
For respondent number 3, Your Lordship.
3? Mr. J. Das, Learning Council for the petitioner, and Miss
K. Sharma on
K.
the
Sharma, Learning Council, appearing for respondent number 3, have made a joint prayer to release the case after 4 weeks, as the parties are in the process of compromise. So, release the case accordingly. The president will release the case accordingly after 4 weeks. On
Declare
the by
case.
the office.
I'd like to mention item number 27 of the daily list by Chairman, Your Lordship. We seek further time to file our affidavit in it.
You are for?
For the respondents, Your Lordship, please.
Okay, who is for the petition? Mr.
RTM Council.
Ponto is present for the petition, huh? Learning Council. Miss
P. Upadhyay, Your Lordship.
P. Upadhyay, how much time?
2 weeks. Your
Okay, P. Upadhyay, Learning Council, appearing for Mr. S.C. Kal, Learning Standing Council, CGST, has prayed for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file a counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents. Release the case after 2 weeks. The interim order, if any, shall continue till the next date of this.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28. Lordship, on behalf of Mr. S. Samre, he has some personal difficulties today, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, and in the meantime, we will like to file our affidavit in reply also, Lordship.
How much time you need?
Lordship, 2 weeks' time, Lordship.
You have informed the other side?
Yes, with the consent of other side.
Okay. Mr.
M. Zaman, Lordship.
M. Jaman, Learned Council for the petition, straight for is granted. How much time?
2 weeks' time, Lordship.
2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply on behalf of the petitioner. First of, it is submitted that consent has been taken from the Learned Council for the respondents to make the prayer.
Lordship, interim order is there, Lordship.
The interim order, if any, shall continue till the next date of this thing.
I'll oblige.
Is the case after 2 weeks?
Also, I beg to mention item for listing on Friday, your lordship said it is relating to land acquisition by NHA and lordship, And-
Motion,
admission and lordship.
give it to the court master.
But
I take the mention, item number 8.
Yes?
Kushal,
Hmm,
for the council, Mr. B. Haller to the party.
yes. What is your prayer?
I will pass over.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr.
P. Devi. On behalf of Mr.
B. Deori, Learned Counsel appearing for the petition, the case is passed over for the day.
May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention two writ petition for listing, Lordship, in orders column. Can it be on Monday, Lordship?
Give it to the court master.
Daily list for motion. Item 1.
May it please your lordship, Miss Senior is suffering from high fever, your lordship, and she is unable to appear today.
Viral fever. Okay.
Lordship, kindly the matter be taken up next Friday, your lordship.
What is your instruction?
This judgment forward, slightly forward, so nothing left. Paragraph 6 and 11, otherwise.
Okay, since there is, do you have a copy of the Kerala judgment? It will misplace it. Pilot.
I will supply.
Do you have that?
I will supply.
Give it to the court master, which was referred to by the petitioner's counsel.
Your lordship, this is not an executing authority. So both notice have been issued, they have to appear before the court. When private receipt of this judgment says that it is, that there is, when there is an alternative remedy, you cannot be, this 226 cannot be lied. That is the basic thing.
Give the Kerala judgment also, which was referred to Marcel. Oh, it is there.
Is there?
Okay. So what did you do? Oh. Next week then. 10th of November.
Lordship, 10th November, it's not possible for me, I have to.
Why?
There is a ceremony.
Okay. When do you want?
Prior to 9, 10, prior to 10.
Prior to 10, no, that is viral fever again.
Lordship,
These are, they are there. When is your ceremony?
On 11.
So 12?
No, 12, 14.
Miss
Yes, Sarkar.
S. Sarkar, Learned Counsel appearing for Miss N. Havelia, Learned Counsel, what a petition has submitted that Miss N. Havelia is presently suffering from viral fever. And on that ground, Ms. So-and-so has made a prayer to release the case on after 1 week post stop. Mr. B. Gogoi, D.N. Gogoi, and Standing Counsel CGST, who is present from I have agreed to the said prayer. Post stop as sought for and agreed to by the Learned Counsel of the parties, release the case on 14/11.
Item number 2.
Two prayer room, you got to DNA, no? Two.
Item 3.
Mr. Doctor, in the arbitration proceeding,
Yes.
you had participated.
participate, but objection raised, my lord, before.
Objection raised, whatever, objection is discarded. So come to page 22. Para 16. The petitioner begs to state that the petitioner was summoned to a hearing on 6/6/2024 by a so-and-so, where it
Yes.
was informed that respondent number 3 has been appointed as arbitrator by DIAC. Another hearing scheduled through hybrid mode on 13/8/2025. But on request of the respondent number 1, it was rescheduled on so-and-so. On that date, the petitioner tried to raise about the maintainability of the claim, but the same was disregarded by the arbitrator. Petitioner was also only directed to submit an admission denial claim to the rejoinder, filed by the respondent number 1 on the same day. The next hearing is 10/10/2025. Hence, the petition is gravely apprehensive that an award will be passed. Now, section 16 perhaps.
16,
16,
yes.
the arbitrator can decide on his own jurisdiction. Suppose he has decided I have jurisdiction, right? And what is the remedy?
Remedy is there, my lord, but
Remedy, what is the remedy? Tell me first.
because it will proceed as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. And it violates the terms and condition of the GEM contract. Because
Violation of terms and conditions of the contract
arbitration,
is not a public remedy. Right? It is a contractual dispute.
contract not dispute, my lord, we have
No.
terminated
You
We
have
have
terminated.
for
The-
violation
yes.
of condition.
Yes, that is not the cause of action for a public remedy under Article 226.
But as
This
per-
is no public law involved here. And secondly, you submitted to the jurisdiction of the arbitrator, raised an objection regarding his jurisdiction. He decided on it. He decided, right? Then what is the remedy? Writ petition.
my lord, one is
Mr. Doctor, in exactly similar situation, Supreme Court has already decided, exactly similar situation, MSMED, for Facilitation Council, forwarded the matter to an arbitrator, right? Arbitrator decided. Then thereafter, what is the remedy?
remedy 34, my lord, is there.
34,
Conciliation Act. Arbitration.
34, 37, all these,
My
not
lord,
227.
my lord, only that the respondent 1. And
So firstly, you place that Supreme Court judgment and distinguish it. It is perhaps by Honorable Justice Narasimhan from Bangalore, Delhi, same respondent number.
2, my lord.
No, respondent number, Delhi International Arbitration Center.
Yes, my lord.
Same, they have forwarded to the arbitrator. Same thing. MSMED Facilitation Council forwarded the matter to Delhi International Arbitration Center. Arbitrator appointed. Then thereafter, what happened? What the court has decided? Writ petition or something else?
It is a government platform, my lord.
Whatever. That does not indicate, cloth you to come to this court, writ court. Strongly deprecated. Okay, I will place, instead of you placing this, the judgments, right? I will place at least 5 judgments next day. Give me time.
I'll try, my lord. Because it
For
is a
dismissal of
complicated,
For apparently for dismissal of your writ petition.
but they are waiting for the outcome of this writ petition. We
Who?
informed the DISC.
Who?
DISC.
We are
They
not
appointed.
pending the case for issuance of notice.
Yes, my lord.
Court has already observed the coordinate bench on the earlier date. It has observed, but I have seen your pleading. That goes similarly like that judgment. I'll give a copy to it next day. But I am not inclined.
But what the remedy, my lord? What's the grievance? Because
You
we
contest the arbitrator established that it is not a case for arbitration, it is outside the scope of arbitration. Don't you take arbitrator is not an unlearned person. He definitely is a learned person. He knows if he has been appointed by International Arbitration Center, definitely he is a learned person. So that it is a penalty and all. The issue is involved with penalty, not in terms so far as wages or terms of the contract. What do you want to say?
my lord, next date may be fixed. I do.
When do you want?
Any date, my lord.
Okay. Try on Monday or with this thing. Friday next.
The earlier day, the response number was
See,
should it be-
all 1, 2, 3, Mr. Doctor, response number 1, 2, and 3, all are private persons. Firstly, all are private persons, not state. Only 4 is state.
yes, my.
Only response number 4 is state, sir. We are trying to find out whether anything can be done. No, that's judgment. Okay. Go through it. Come back. Authored by Justice Narasimhan. On the prayer of Mr. A.K. Dr. Leonard Counsel for the petitioner is the case on when one Monday
Yes.
or Friday? Friday. Next Friday. Next
7.
Friday.
Item number 4. May I please, Your Lordship? Petitioners before Your Lordship, my lord, elected as Gaon Pansat member, my lord. Thereafter, petition number 1 and 2 contested, my lord, for the post of president and vice president, along with respondent number 7 and 8. In the voting process, both parties got similar vote, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, authorized officer decided to select vice president and vice president by lottery by a coin toss, my lord. Our allegation is that our case is that when first coin was first toss, my lord, it was in our favor, my lord. But that toss, my lord, declared as, my lord,
Which provision?
11, my lord, section 11.
Section 11, Assam Panchayat.
So we have already
What
approved
is your pleading here? Which paragraph you say?
Yes, my lord. Paragraph 6, my lord.
6, okay. Section 11. Shall be decided by Deputy Commissioner.
Yes, my lord. We already approved before the debating of my lord.
And who tossed the coin?
My lord, that is circle officer, my lord.
Circle officer tossed the coin.
He was authorized, my
Is
lord.
there anything there in a Panchayat Act regarding toss?
In the Panchayat Act, toss is not there, but there.
Somewhere toss is there. Where is it?
General person.
Where is it? Toss is definitely there under the Panchayat Act.
Our grievance is the first toss was declared, my lord, trial, my lord. That our case is that toss was valid toss. That is my only grievance, my lord. So district commissioner, my lord, we have approached, my lord. District commissioner may decide, my lord, after hearing.
Where is the toss?
in 45.
Assam Panchayat Constitution Rules. Rule 45.
The same book, my lord, it's 200 pages.
Page 200. Rule 45?
Utility of
No. 45, A, B, C, D, all are there. 45. 45.
and where
Hmm.
if after the counting of votes, it appears that two candidates of whom only one is to be declared elected having received equal numbers of votes, the district commissioner or the officer as authorized by district commissioner, as the case may be, or any officer authorized by him in his behalf, shall decide which of the two shall be declared elected by tossing up a coin in presence of such candidates.
Hmm.
Each candidate shall be assigned one side of the coin by him or by the officer just before the top. The
Hmm.
candidate whose side appears visible at the top of the coin after it has fallen flat on any plain ground or table shall be declared as elected.
Now, where is the proceeding?
Uh,
Where is the proceeding?
Proceeding I could not get, my lord.
Huh?
I could not get the proceeding, my lord. I stated my paragraph 6, my lord.
Well, you should notice at this stage,
My lord.
who was the person
Cycle officer.
who tossed?
Cycle.
So, authorized officer is authorized
Yes, my lord. That
to
is-
toss the coin.
Yes, my lord.
Only thing is, who has done it?
Yes, my lord.
3 times.
Yes.
You say 3 times.
Three times.
One is trial.
As per his allegation, my lord, first one was trial.
Trial. These petitioners, Anjuma, all are ladies, so maybe it is a trial. All are ladies.
Other party, there are gents also there.
So demonstration, maybe. Petitioners are ladies, the private respondents are ladies.
Yes, my lord.
Might be he to show them how to do it. Later on, perhaps husbands got furious. Heard Mr. H. R. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. S. Doctor, learned standing counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department. So the response number 1, 4, 5.
4 and 5.
5. Mr. B.J. Talutar, learned senior counsel assisted by Mr. P.K. Medhi, learned counsel for the response number 3. Mr. Medhi, you were state counsel also? Okay, Mr. P.K. Medhi, you were state counsel, he is what? Junior government advocate? Okay, junior government advocate Assam. For the response number 3, 4, 3 and 5. Oh, sorry, 3 and 6. Full stop. These petitioners are what? Elected members.
Yes.
The petitioners, 6 in number,
5.
5 in number, are and the respondent number 7 and 8 are ward members elected to 25 Gutipara Gaon Panchayat. The Panchayat election was held on 7/5/2020. Full stop. on nine seven 2025. The first meeting of the Gaon Panchayat was convened for taking oath by the elected ward members and for election of President and Vice President of the Gaon Panchayat. Posto. In the same meeting, all 10 elected ward members took part. Posto. Out of the petitioner, who contested?
1 and 2.
The petition number 1 and the petition number 2. Decided to contest for the post of President and Vice President of the Gaon Panchayat on one hand, and the respondent number 7 and the respondent number 8 also decided to place their candidature for the said two post of when all 4 of them got 5 votes each, the authorized officer decided to break the deadlock by toss of coin. Where the petitioners have alleged that the authorized officer in the process, toss the coin 3 times after the first toss resulted in favor of the petitioners. The authorized officer had mentioned in order to do the second toss and third toss, mentioned the first toss as trial toss. Then why 3? Second toss was in favor?
In them.
Them. Third toss?
In favor of them. No.
Then best of 3.
Because President and Vice President.
Best of 3.
One for President, one for Vice President. First one for trial.
Okay.
First President, second.
Okay. Mr. Rattal, I am standing also Panchayat and Rural Development Department, and Mr. Taludar, as Senior Counsel, appearing for our official respondents, have submitted that the first toss was a trial toss, and the second toss and the third toss were for the post of president, were for election or selection? Election of the president and the vice president respectively of the Gaon Panchayat. We should notice returnable vote on so and so. Interesting.
2811.
2811. As so and so, the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 7 and the respondent number 8 by speed post within 2 working days from today.
Only, my lord, their election.
Records of the proceeding. Records of the proceeding.
Yes.
Mr. Mehdi, learned Junior Government Advocate Assam, shall obtain the records of the proceedings for placing it before the court. That will expedite.
My lord.
Only toss.
Yes.
Videograph. If there is videography available, then the same shall also be on. including the videography, if any.
Item 5.
Yes, madam, this is covered.
The seeking compensation, the case is yet to be registered by the DLS.
DLSA.
Yes, spending for, I don't think that they have approached the DLSA, the DLSA allegedly has not taken any.
And so
steps
far
to-
as this notification 47, page 47,
Lordship, we find that at page 10, a statement has been made by the writ petitioner saying that there is a judgment of this honorable court, order dated 5/4/2019. Page 10, the first paragraph, Lordship. In WPC number so and so by this honorable court, wherein it was highlighted that the ex gratia relief is an additional relief which is unconnected and unrelated to a legal obligation cast on the state to compensate the victim. Therefore, there is no bar in obtaining both relief. But should I have to reconfirm this particular aspect?
so far this,
Yes, deemed it fit not to annex this
yes,
particular-
Club 2,
Lordship.
victim compensation scheme is 1.
Yes,
Come to page 47.
yes, that's ex gratia.
What he is asking, ex gratia or something else?
Thus, both already filed a writ petition before this honorable court asking ex gratia. That is also pending.
Okay,
That is WPC 2387 or
Okay.
2025.
Okay.
And this is an additional relief which he's.
okay, okay. Oh,
And there's a statement made that both can be asked for, which is what I would like to reconfirm before I make any submission.
Lordship, I have just been instructed by Mr. Akan, kindly fix this matter at 2, Lordship. He has some.
not to, we are not rising today early. It is not such an important matter
Lordship,
that heaven will fall.
Lordship.
Heard on the prayer of Mr. K. Jain, learned counsel appearing for Mr. S.I. Akant, learned counsel for the petition, raised the case on next Friday. Ms. R. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, A. Assam State,
For respondent.
ASLA, ASLSA. For the respondent number 2 is present.
But she's not next Friday, some difficulty, Thursday and Friday, some difficulty, then Monday or thereafter. Gotcha. Keep your best.
10.
Lordship, much obliged.
Keep your best.
Item 6.
Yes, Mr. Loskar,
Lordship.
please come to page 30.
Yes, my lord.
Who are they?
My lord, petitioner here is my lord, Ilara Begum Lashkar is the wife of the petitioner.
And are you Loskar?
Is the petitioner.
What is the issue?
Issue, my lord,
Because there is no whisper in the pleading.
my lord,
I thought that, yes, absolutely bad case for the respondents. I thought
sorry, my lord.
to learn, but there is absolutely no whisper
Lordship.
in the pleading. Then I started to go through the annexer.
Lordship.
Wow, this, what is the thing?
Now, my lord, in this case, Lordship.
Because there will be no pleading,
My lord.
suppression of fact.
No, my lord, may I pray, my lord, I may be allowed to file an additional affidavit, my lord, because the order of the, inadvertently order of the tribunal.
You know, you have drafted the petition. You are the only counsel I saw in the cause list, right? You have annexed this.
My lord, this.
And I thought that how a pensioner should be victimized. I was quite in favor of you
No, my lord.
because absolutely nothing. Then I flipped to the page. I saw this. Then I tried to
No,
say,
my
who is
lord,
Ariu Loskar? Then I said, Rami Juddin Loskar. He must be the one.
No, my
And
lord.
what is it? You were silent in the petition,
No, my lord,
petition, entire petition.
Now,
What is the name of the lady, wife? Then I thought that she must be the one.
my lord, in my pleadings, my lord, I only stated that because of the verdict of the DRT, my lord,
Have you stated so? DRT?
lordship, it is there, my lord, in para 9, my lord.
No. You said about page 29.
My lord, para 10.
I'll dismiss it, suppression of fact.
No, my lord, may I pray, my lord.
This type of
Now, in that
this
event,
type of practice is not appreciated.
in that event, my lord, I may be allowed to withdraw with liberty to file a claim.
Otherwise, I'll make comments.
I may be allowed to.
This is not to be appreciated.
Lordship,
I was with you all along
my lord,
that a pensioner should not be
my
victimized by the respondents in such manner.
lord,
Then I saw the prayer. Then I was supposed to ask him, show cause. Then I flipped to the page. Then I saw this is the issue. Don't.
Sir, my lord, with liberty to file a fresh, my lord.
It catches our eyes.
No, my lord, the environment is there, my lord.
No environment. Only environment is regarding
My
page
lord, regarding
29.
the.
29, Mr. Loskar,
Lord,
you are season counsel, take us to that paragraph,
my lord, page 10, page 8, paragraph 10, my lord.
page 8.
Paragraph 10, my lord. The respondent on author replied to the legal notice stating information that account was placed on hold by so to
This
comply
is,
planet DIT. order.
this is, then why have not you disclosed it?
My lord.
Huh?
Lordship, with liberty to file.
Mr. J. Loskar, learned counsel of petitioner, Mr. A. Parvez, learned counsel for the respondent PNB. The Punjab National Bank authorities are present. Mr. Loskar has submitted that certain facts are required to be, certain facts which are omitted, are required to be incorporated in the writ petition. So he has therefore paid for allowing him to withdraw the writ petition with the liberty to file letters. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Loskar, the writ petition is dismissed from withdrawal with the liberty to aspirate.
Oblige.
Don't.
My.
Item 7.
Please, your lordship.
Yes, is it here to be decided here? This kind of petition?
Similar cases have been decided, lordship.
Yesterday we forwarded to the division bench.
There's one order, if your lordship kindly permit.
I have been consistently sending it to the division bench. This is a kind of habeas corpus.
She knows the whereabouts, lordship, of the husband, just that she wants to meet in to take signatures and inquire about his well-being.
Yes, Mr. Talundra. Show it to him. If he agrees, then we'll take out after some time. Only to get the signature or something like that.
Meet and if
Meet
he wants
and
to
get
take,
Okarnama sign.
lordship, if he wants to take any request.
Not allowing.
I'll go through it.
Much obliged.
Item number 8.
They like to be armed with a court order.
Well, the petitioner passes the plot of land, one katha, 11 lesser.
For construction, even
Well,
security.
Well, the cell,
Take a restraint order from the civil court. They file a suit. You file a
yes.
suit, get the injunction order.
that is true, my lord.
Yes, why for private construction, why we should give? You are constructing your house.
Yes, my lord.
Go to the civil court, file a
Civil court already, my lord.
suit and get a restraint order, injunction order under order 39. You are doing private construction,
Yes.
your own house. Why security? Why is the state?
My lord, I have submitted, my lord, a building
Have you
construction.
approached the civil
NOC,
court?
NOC.
Do you approach the civil court?
No, my lord, I have not approached, my lord.
Then?
I have filed my written statement in the title.
Why don't you file a own suit? And an interlocutory application under order 39
Yes, that is true.
to restrain the private process. You are private, they are private. They are trying to encroach. Where is the state?
My lord, the state is that, my lord, building construction,
this is
NOC was issued, my lord, and I have submitted my representation.
Shortfall of police personnel.
Lordship,
With that observation, Lordship.
No. Dismiss. No observation. When the petitioners have taken legal counsel, still they are trying to invoke the public remedy, You get the restraint order, injunction order from the civil court. We can say that in order to seek appropriate remedy, we can only do that. Otherwise, private.
I understand.
If state has disturbed, yes. If Mr. Talukdar has disturbed you,
The respondent.
private. Private.
Respondent, yes.
Mr. N.K. Kultel, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. B.J. Talukdar, Learned Senior Counsel, Estate by Mr. P.K. Mehdi, Learned Junior Government Advocate for the state respondents are present. Mr. Kolita has submitted that, and the petitioner is withdrawing the petition in order to seek appropriate, in order to avail, in order to approach appropriate forum to seek the remedy, to seek his remedy. Full stop. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Kolita, the petition is withdrawn, reserving the liberty to the petition to approach the appropriate forum seeking remedy.
Can be disposed of it.
Yes.
I can. 7.
Part Mr. S. D. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. B.J. Talukdar. Learned Senior Counsel listed by Mr. P.K. Mehdi, Learned Junior Government Advocate for all the respondents. Full stop. The petitioner is the wife of Peratu. See, Alimuddin Elias Alauddin, son of so and so, many names, 4 names. Okay, Pera. It is a case of the petitioner that her husband, a proceedings was initiated before the Foreigners Tribunal number 5, Kamrup at Rongia in the form of ZFT case number 89/24. Full stop. On completion of the proceeding, the Foreigners Tribunal number 5, by its order dated 18/7/2016. 18/7/2016. Declared him a foreigner, who had illegally entered into India, within bracket Assam, from Bangladesh after 25/3/1971. Post of C. Alauddin Elias Alauddin assailed the order dated 18/7/2016 of the Foreigners Tribunal before this court in a writ petition WPC number 5197 stroke 2016. Full stop. By an order dated 20/03/2018, comma, the writ petition was dismissed. Full stop. Subsequent to 23/2018, comma, the order of the High Court was not challenged subsequently, has not been challenged subsequently before or till date, full stop. But it is the further case of the petitioner that Ilyas Alauddin was thereafter apprehended by police personnel on 25/5/2025 from his residence, and thereafter he has been kept under detention at 7th Assam Police Battalion at Soraikwa, Kokrajhar. Full stop. The petitioner has stated that she and her son when she and her son went to meet Alauddin Ilyas Alauddin at 7th Assam Police Battalion at Soraikwa, Kokrajhar, about 20 days from today, comma, they were denied permission to meet Alauddin Ilyas so-and-so. Full stop. Para. The grievance of the petitioner is that she and her son have not been given access to the detainee so as to obtain his signatures in necessary documents for challenging the opinion of the Foreigners Tribunal and consequential actions. Full stop. Mr. Alauddin, Senior Counsel, has submitted that apart from making the aforestated statements, there is not even a single document to support the case of the petitioner. Full stop. বাকি লাস্ট 3টা প্যারা দিয়ে দিব, নাম তো চেঞ্জ করে দিব। Be that as it may, this court after সেকেন্ড পেজ 2 লিখে দিব, নাম তো চেঞ্জ করে দিব, আলাউদ্দিন।
Much obliged.
Okay, mine.
May it please your lordship. My lord, for the second time, the petitioner are required to approach this honorable court. Lordship may recollect, I will take your lordship to the earlier order also. This honorable court had the opportunity to deal with the case. They are the City Bus Owners Association of the city. They have been running, applying their buses in the city routes. Mainly now the question relates to 2 routes. One is route number 23 and the other is route number 36. Route number 23 goes from Khanapara to Dharapur via Ganeshguri, and route number 36 goes to from Boshistha Mandir to Dharapur via Paltan Bazar. these two routes. And our buses, they were granted a permit, stage carriers permit. Those permits, some of the buses have their permits till another 2-3 years. And those buses can ply only route specific permit. Permits are always route specific. Only in those routes those buses can fly. And earlier they said that either you convert it to CNG or electric buses. We said this is impossible on our part because we have improved our buses by complying to BS4 that time. Now it is not possible to convert it to electricity at all. And CNG also is difficult because it will not cost effective, but also here there is no CNG facilities that way. And they ultimately we approached this honorable court. This honorable court said that you extend the licenses and allow them to ply and continue. And then thereafter they said that yes, you continue. They allowed us. And then we had to withdraw that petition saying that they have now allowed us to comply with, to ply with our vehicles, ply our vehicles on those two routes. Therefore, there is no necessity to continue the case. Now, they have adopted the resolution. The RTA board, Lordship will kindly come to page 80, Annex 7. This is, Lordship got it, Madam. Page 80, Annex 7. This is the meeting, it is a minutes of the board dated 5th April 2025. And relevant portion, I will take your Lordship to page 83.
Yes.
83. Kindly see that in the middle, left-hand column, column 2, it says designation of city bus route number 23 and 36 as green routes and renewal of stage carriers permit of diesel operated buses plying in Kamrup Metro. In this regard, right-hand column, Madam, the RTA board resolves that the renewal of stage carriers permits for these buses shall be granted on a 6-month basis, similar to the process for diesel operated buses on other routes. Number 1, I am agreed by this. Number 2, however, the validity of permits for buses operating on route number 23 and 36 must not extend beyond 31st December 2025.
Now read it from the very beginning.
This proceeding, Mala?
Page, yes.
Yes.
Huh? Bench 4 meta. Earlier bench 5, now, sorry. Earlier there was an earlier down. Now there is a notification. Let me find out.
Bench
4.
Oh.
Yes, for the-
Fine.
Bench. Permit. Permit of vehicle. Your permit, it is a permit. Then specifically bench 4.
Bench 4. No.
Once it is known, then it is difficult.
Yes, yes. No.
That is why in a notification always, there is a line in the cause list also, that please look into the notification. In the cause list, some cause list.
Nowadays, cause list is only in digital mode. We don't go to all this.
General note at the below.
I see.
All concerned may refer to notification number 91 for any clarification regarding classification of civil bench 4 and civil bench 5 matter. Always there. Because there is a confusion.
Yes, yes.
Bench 4 has been bifurcated into 2. And there is a confusion. Yes.
Anyway,
When
let-
gone? Monday.
Today is Friday, Monday.
Mr. K.K. Mohanto, Learned Senior Counsel, yesterday by Ms. N. Begum, Learned Counsel for the petition, M.D. Bora, Learned State Standing Counsel. Under Rule 18, within bracket 2 of the settlement rules framed under Assam Land and Revenue Regulation. First of all, in the petitioner in the said notice, the petitioner is one of the 4 notices posted by the notice, the 4 notices have been by the same notice, it is in the same notice, it is stated that the 4 notices are in occupation of an area of land measuring 6 bigha 4 kata 5 lesa under DAG number 1214 at village Adabari, Part 1, Thuburi Revenue Circle, District of Postal. The petitioner has stated that as he is in occupation of the subject lot since long, he made an application for settlement of the subject land before the authorities on 15/11/2024. full stop. But to his surprise, comma, the petitioner has come to learn that the area of 6 bigha 4 lessa 5 4 katha 5 lessa and the dark number 141 at village Andabari part 1 Dhuri circle has been allotted to by the Revenue and District Disaster Management Department, Government of Assam, on 20/03/2025 in favor of 1 Vivekananda Rock Memorial and Vivekananda Kendra, Kanyakumari, by issuing a Kheraz periodic patta number 914. The prime contention of the petition is that the time period of 7 days given in the impugn notice to vacate the subject plot to the petitioner is clearly against the mandate of law. Full stop. Mr. Talvia and Ms.
Pardon, Lordship. I have another contention that after the subject land has been allotted to a private party, the character of the land ceased to be a government land. So, settlement rule 18(2) cannot apply. It's my submission, Lordship. After the subject land has been settled.
You
with
raised
the
this question before when you replied to the notice. You'll be given 15 days notice. Subsequently, if they wish to do so, they will do. I'll simply set aside this notice. Mr. Talukdar, Lanet, or you withdraw.
No. Liberty to.
Mr. Or I can record your submission that you will withdraw this.
Lordship.
Mr. Talukdar, Lanet Senior, Ms. Hazarika and Mr. Talukdar have submitted that the petitioner is clearly is clearly in unauthorized occupation of the subject land, which is a government land. And the state has the discretion to allot or settle a piece of government land as per the land policy. First of para Rule 18 to sound. Rule 18 which make it 2 of the settlement rules framed under the Assam Land and Revenue Regulation, 1886. It reads as under. Para. A division bench of this court in Salakuddin versus State of Assam and others, 2024 4 GLT 857. While interpreting Rule 18, within bracket 2 of the settlement rules, while considering, has entirely observed that in respect to the wasteland government khas land, estate over which no person had acquired the rights of a proprietor, para 46, landholder or settlement holder, semicolon, an indigenous person who is in occupation of such lands under the disposal of the government would have a procedural legitimate expectation that before taking any decision to evict him, he would be given an opportunity to explain that he had a right to be considered for settlement over the land in his occupation. Post of such right is, however, subject to a caveat that the occupier stroke possessor submits application for settlement and the settlement rules and land policy permits such consideration for settlement. Full stop. The said person would also have a substantive legitimate expectation that he ought to be considered for settlement over the land in his possession in view of the land policy, 2019. Full stop. The same is also subject to filing an application for settlement and the land policy 2019 duly permitting consideration of such application for settlement. Full stop. The division bench has also observed that the state may have a more profound reason for eviction in respect of the land in possession on public interest. But the procedural and substantive legitimate expectation would be a cause of action if the consideration of the application is unfair or violates Article 14 of the Constitution, which in turn would be a bona fide claim of the right involved. Full stop. Para. On Rule 18.2 of the settlement rules, the division bench has further observed that which para? Any time period?
Time period is
Not there.
15. Yes. Lordship may come to page 38 of the judgment, paragraph 57.
the division bench has proceeded to hold that prior to initiation of proceeding under Rule 18 within bracket 2 of the settlement rules, the occupant stroke possessor of government lands have to be issued notice. Full stop. When in the context of the observations and directions made in Salahuddin Supra by the division bench and Rule 18.2 of the settlement rules, the MP notice is looked at, it is evidently clear that the MP notice falls short of the requirement for the fact that the MP notice, though purportedly issued under Rule 18.2 of the settlement rules, is a vacation notice without providing for an opportunity
Lordship, moreover, the notice is silent about the nature of the land and the purpose for which it is
an
required to be vacated.
opportunity. To the notices, to the noticee as petitioner, to explain that he has the right to be considered for settlement over the subject land in view of his alleged occupation. First of all, in such view of the matter, the MP notice bearing number DBC 07/2025/62 dated 00.08/2025 issued by the respondent number 3 is set aside and crossed. First of all, the setting aside and quashing of the impugned notice hearing, it is made clear that the setting aside and quashing of the impugned notice shall not preclude the competent authority to proceed again in accordance with law by providing a due opportunity of being heard to a noticee, to a person who is found in unauthorized occupation of government land stroke government land, khasland stroke wasteland, etc.
I am obliged.
Item number 12.
This was this order disposes the repetition, huh? Hence four. What is the subject?
Subject not just a challenge, that was a decision of a
Hence
tri-party
four.
meeting.
Labor, industrial, all. For Mr. J. Kolita, learned counsel for the petition, Mr. S.S. Roy, learned junior government advocate for the state respondents have submitted that the subject matter of the writ petition pertains to man's post of the district to look into the same and thereafter list the case before the appropriate bench.
Lots. Obliged.
Item 14.
My lord, petitioners are the legal heirs of late Madhuram Das, and they have approached the Honorable learned circle officer for demarcation of land. Once, my lord,
You approached.
yes, my lord, earlier we approached along with my brother and sister. Then date was fixed on 21/5/2025, page 20 and 21. Main copy.
Yes, Mr. Roy. We take instruction, these kind of reissue notice and all.
Matter may be disposed of, my lord, directing the authority to
Let's just
dispose of.
let
my-
him take instruction. Heard Mr. N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Nibudi. Petitioners. Ms. P. R. Mohanto, learned standing counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the respondent number 1. Mr. S. S. Roy, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 2 and 3. Full stop. The petitioners have stated that they are legal heirs within brackets sons and daughters of one late Madhuram Das, who was owner of a plot of land measuring 1 bigha 2 kathas 10 lesas, covered by DAG number 344, paragraph 3, and Patta number 529, situate at Revenue Village Gorol, Moza Ramsorni, Ajara Revenue Circle, District, Kamluk Metro, Assam, subject plot. Full stop. The petitioners have stated that their names are reflected in the Jamabandi for surveyed village Gorol. Full stop. The petitioners made an application seeking demarcation of the boundaries of the subject plot. Full stop. Though at one point of time, the respondent number 3 issued a notice to the petitioners and other persons from the persons in the vicinity, persons of the adjoining plots, persons of persons in possession of plots adjoining to the subject plot to appear to be present on 21/5/2025 for demarcation of the boundaries of the subject plot. But on 21/5/2025, no demarcation process exercise was carried out. Full stop. As during the subsequent period, no discernible steps are found to have been taken by the respondent authorities, more particularly the respondent number 3. The petitioners are before this court by the instant writ petition, seeking inter alia direction to the respondent authorities to demarcate the boundaries of the subject plot. Mr. Mr. Roy, has submitted that he will obtain instruction as to why the demarcation exercise has not yet been carried out. As sought for by Mr. Roy, is the case on when?
2 weeks.
2 weeks, don't take 2 weeks. Okay. 10th of November.
Gotcha.
Extra copy.
Yes, sir.
Likhi dibo.
Date of representation may be mentioned, my lord, otherwise there is confusion. Page 20.
That's okay.
Item 15.
May it please your lordship. My lord, the petitioners are the permanent resident of Balavita village under Borpeta district on the bank of river Beki, my lord. So there, my lord, the area is normally as a char area. It is mostly inundated
during the rainy season, the entire area is inundated. They have to shift to the embankments for the entire rainy period.
What relief you are seeking here?
Then my lord, when they came back from there, from the embankments to their, when the water recedes, when they came back from the embankments, they found that their land has been under some land mafia who has been excavating
On your land or somewhere?
on my land as well as on other lands, also on my land also. And their vehicles, heavy vehicles are carrying there all the sand and silt using my land, my lord, passing through my land.
So sand extraction
Sand extraction
from river bed.
from the river as well as from my land also.
Okay.
So I have
So
approached-
unauthorized.
unauthorized completely.
Unauthorized, Lordship. Because there was a proper procedure followed. Public hearings were called for. Even, if I may take you to page 21. Page 21, Lordship.
Yes.
This Gopinath Das, even this person even has filed the same writ petition regarding the same thing, Your Lordship.
Gopinath.
Gopinath, even this Gopinath is a Mohaldas, Your Lordship.
Hmm? Who are here? Gopinath is not a petitioner here?
He's not a petitioner here.
Hmm.
Similar writ petition has been filed regarding stating the same reason, Your Lordship, Beki River. They filed by this Gopinath, and further, this Gopinath has withdrawn his complaint petition. Also. So may I pray let the matter be taken up next week on Wednesday or Friday? I'll put up a instruction.
Okay, we will probably see.
Okay, next Friday then, huh? Next Friday.
Next Friday? Okay, Mr. A. Bharasiji, Land Council for the petitioner is present. On the request of Mr. R. Gogoi, Land Standing Council Forest Department, release the case on Friday.
Obliged, Lord.
Item 16.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My lord, this is regarding the payment of Zirat compensation. Your Lordship may turn to page 21, annexure C, my
21.
lord. Yes, my lord. Initially, this notice was issued to the petitioner under section 7(1) of the Assam Land Requisition Act. My lord, here at the bottom, your Lordship may kindly see the DAG number is given is 1283. But this is not correct, my lord. And subsequently, it was corrected. Annexure D, page 22, my lord.
1274.
Yeah, 1274, my lord. So thereafter, but at the same time, my lord, your Lordship may kindly see, may I read this portion, my lord? As per verification report of LRA, it has been stated.
Which page?
22
Okay.
at the bottom.
Bottom.
As per verification report of LRA, it has been stated that the petitioner Nizam Ali has actual Zirat possession in DAG number 1274 and Patta number 512, village Goral under Azara Revenue Circle. However, earlier the DAG number, Patta number had been erroneously reported as being 1283 and 135 respectively. The DAG so and so aforesaid Zirat compensation may kindly be corrected. So accordingly, it was corrected, my lord. But at the same time, another notice was issued, that is the impugn notice issued to all the pattadars of the my lord, patta, my lord, patta number 215, my lord, 15
Patta
numbers
number?
of pattadars.
Patta number?
Same patta, but their, my lord, land are, my lord, belong to different DAGs, my lord.
Okay.
And annexure E, page 25.
Okay.
The land acquired was, my lord, the petitioner's land, that, my lord, the part which was under the petitioner's possession. DAG number
In
1274.
this notice, your name is there.
Name is there, my lord.
Where is a serial number?
Serial number 11, my lord.
12.
13, my lord.
No, you are
Page
Mr.
25.
Nizamuddin. You are Mr. Nizamuddin.
Yes, my lord, Nizamuddin. 13.
13.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
in a type copy,
The type copy also 13, page 24.
24.
Yes, my lord.
Harun Ali 13.
My lord,
Not.
page,
Huh?
Not visible.
that is why I have given typed copy, my lord.
Right.
Page 24, Nizamuddin, my lord. Page
Nizamuddin is 13. I can see it in the page 25. Nizamuddin is 13. But in your type copy, Nizamuddin is either 12 or 12. Anyway.
My lord, 13, here also 13, my lord.
No, in my petition, not 13. 13 is Harun Ali.
So, my lord, my,
So-
that since,
If that is the circle officer's view,
No, Lordship.
Doug number is so and so. Doug number 1274
74.
and 512 patta number. He is in actual possession. And if
How many the co-partner is there in the? Kindly see.
Total 50 numbers, my lord, they,
have given-
their land pertain to different Dags.
don't disburse, the money goes, it will be difficult to recover. It will be difficult for you also.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Ms. S.B. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Ms. G. Hazarika, standing counsel, Revenue and Disaster Management Department for the response number 1. Mr. J. Hendik, learned junior government advocate Assam for the response number 225.
Or
225.
5 lot of 4, but district officer, there is no post in the like a district or district officer.
Okay, later on, 225. Later on, you clarify. Full stop. The petitioner has claimed on the basis of the land documents like Jamabandi,
Subdivisional officer. Subdivisional officer. District officer.
comma, within bracket, annexer A, and a letter dated 16/7/2025, annexer D, of the annexer D of the respondent number 5, that he is the owner and possession of a plot of land covered by Dag number 1274 and Patta number 512, situated at village Goral, Ajara Revenue Circle, Ajara. Subject plot for sort. Full stop. The petitioner has stated that under award number 132, passed under section 7 within bracket 1 of the Assam Land within bracket requisition and acquisition bracket close Act 1964, an amount of rupees 22,57,874 has been assessed as compensation towards Zirat in the acquisition process undertaken for conversion of the existing 2-lane road connecting to LZBI Airport from VIP Junction, page 21 out of 7, to 6-lane under PM-Divine, DEVINE program and SOPD within bracket G in village Gorol under Ramchorni Moja in LA case number 13/2024. Full stop. But the respondent authorities are contemplating to disburse the compensation. But in respect of the same subject plot, the respondent authorities provide notice dated 4/4/2025, Annex RE. Have contemplated to disburse the assessed compensation amount to a number of persons as notices have been issued to about 30 number of persons. If any amount is disbursed overlooking the claim of the petitioner, to any of such notices overlooking the claim of the petitioner will be prejudiced. Hence, the petition issue notice returnable on so and so. As Miss Hazarika 1, handy 2 to 5, no formal notice, extra copies, 2 working days. Where having regard to the projections made and considering the fact that the petition appeared to be the owner and possessor of the subject plot, it is ordered that in the interim that the Jirat compensation amount assessed for a subject plot shall not be disbursed by the respondent authorities till the returnable date.
Page 18 of this particular, there are so many co-partners there. Page 18 of
You come up
Same
because
patta
this particular
same logic. There are so many persons, the same person.
Dag number is different, patta number same man.
page 22 at least.
Page 18.
Page 18 man.
No, Barney.
You clarify will otherwise the money goes thereafter all will be in difficulty.
Other co-partner development.
Maybe. Tell us from the circle officer.
1st December, 1/12. Item 17.
Right. This is regarding victim compensation, my lord, page 44. the
Victim
award.
compensation.
Yes, my lord. Page 44, the award, my lord.
Heard Mr. M. Hussain, learned counsel for the petition.
And that similarly situated matter, my lord, fixed on 24/11. This is 24/11.
Mr. J. Hendy, learned. For the husband number 1, 4, 5. 1 and 4. Chairman is district judge. Why? 5. Miss R. A. Chaudhary, learned standing counsel, Assam State Legal Services Authority for the husband number 3. Anybody finance? Finance? Mr. R. Borbujari, learned standing counsel. Finance Department for the husband number 2. Full stop. The petitioner is the wife of one late Farhadul Islam alias Farhadul Islam, who was killed in an incident on 13/2/2010 stroke 14/2/2010, resulting in registration of Bilakipara Police Station case number 143/2010 under section 302 IPC full stop. Para seeking compensation under the victim compensation scheme, the petitioner preferred an application before the respondent number 4, who initially ordered for interim compensation amount of rupees 1,25,000
Yes, madam. Yes, 37.
on
21st January 2022. 20.
21/01/2020. Enough. The respondent 4 on 10/12/2024 has passed the final order allowing an amount of rupees 5 lakh as compensation. Full stop. As after the interim compensation amount of rupees 1,25,000, the remaining amount of rupees 3,75,000 has not yet been disbursed to the petition. The petition is before this court by the extended petition. Issue notice returnable 24/11. Extra copies, no? Please the case.
Item 18.
This is.
On last word applicable, Learned Counsel for response shall obtain instruction as regards disbursement of the awarded compensation amount to the petitioners.
Less.
Item 18.
Jharkhand.
Lordship. Annexure, my lord,
Annexure?
Annexure 2, my lord, page 19. We have the respondent number 6, my lord, he did not pass, my lord, from Assam, my lord. And at the age of 50, my lord, she brought the certificate from Jharkhand. And by using this, my lord.
Sincere. Jharkhand Open School, sincere.
And
Durga Public School.
Huh?
Durga Public School.
Durga.
And they allow.
Okay. Then,
my lord, we have filed complaint, my lord, because this institution is a, my lord, fraud institution, my lord, as already held by the Jharkhand High Court as well as Honorable Supreme Court.
where have you stated?
We have stated, my lord, and judgment is also here, my lord. Paragraph 18 and 19.
Heard Mr. R. Ali. Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. S. Doctor.
My lord, I want to point it out. The rule, my lord, for under, my lord, section 111, disqualification, my lord, there are procedural where district commissioner has the power. But for this purpose, my lord, matriculation, there is, a rule is silent. No?
An election petition.
Maybe, my lord, that has to be interpreted.
That I don't know. Panchayat Act.
111-2, my lord.
Which rule?
111, section 111,
Section
2B,
111.
2B, my lord.
111. Yeah, 111. Then
2B.
2B. No person shall be elected, co-opted, or remain as president,
or remain as president.
who has not passed.
Now, Lord, should we have the rule, my lord? Rule 62.
Constitution rules.
Yes,
Okay,
rule 62,
62.
sub rule 2. It says, my lord, with the nomination, my lord, an affidavit has to be submitted regarding the qualification.
Along with true copy as well as original, my lord.
Yes.
Hmm.
But if wrongly submitted or
No, wrong.
he didn't have qualification, what will happen? That is rule side.
You want to say that this submission of HSLC certificate is a requirement?
With affidavit. yes,
With affidavit.
yes. If see filed a force.
Regarding, okay. And
Yeah,
thereafter
that-
production is subsequent.
Yeah.
So statement in affidavit is the requirement.
Yes. See,
So-
filed for the false affidavit, maybe with false document. That is in the rules, my lord, the district commissioner doesn't have power for disqualification of that provision. For rest, my lord, the rules are saying differently, district commissioner has power. But for this purpose, it's a rule is silent.
But, okay, whether it would include, that is section 111, 2B would include, because if it is void, is void.
Yes,
Consequently, no qualification.
that is correct, madam. I'm just saying which jurisdiction, man, to disqualify that candidate.
Okay. That the district commissioner shall have absolute power in deciding cases pertaining to disqualification of member on the, where is the power of the district commissioner?
Rule 62 for different, my lord,
No, in 111,
yes, 111, my lord, only it's saying
My lord,
that the candidate has to submit one affidavit saying the.
where is the power of disqualification?
my lord, 3, my lord, Roman 2. 11-3, Roman 2.
111.
Lordship. Section, my lord. Roman 2, district commissioner shall have the absolute power.
Roman 2.
3, Roman
Okay.
2.
No, there is defection.
That is defection, yes.
Disqualification of members.
This is different.
That is defection.
And in the rule, my lord,
If suppose 100 disqualification, chapter Roman 8, that is 111.
Yes.
These are the requirement.
Yes.
Subsection 1. Similarly, subsection 2 also.
Yes,
Right.
right.
Now, who will do so?
That is silent, man. That is why.
Candidate conditions. So this is. No, it is there. Rule 62.
Rule 62 is there, my lord.
Yes, subject to the provisions of the Act, at the time of filing nomination, the candidate shall furnish affidavit that he or she has not more than 2 living so and so, state government or concerned district authority. Children.
These are for children, my lord.
Children.
Yes, my lord.
Children.
The sub rule 2 is the for qualification.
Then whether section 129 will come.
My lord, that is the subject of interpretation, my lord. And one also provision is there in section 111, my lord, 1F.
111, 1F,
1H, no, H.
H.
H. If any question arises as to whether a member of Panchayat body. at an
1 minute, that
has-
H is not available with me. 1H,
My lord, section 111, 1H.
1H.
In the 190.
Ah,
If any question arises as to whether a member of Panchayat body at any level has become subject to any of the disqualification under this section, the question shall be referred for decision of such authority and in such manner as the government may be.
government may by law provide,
That is.
may by law provide.
But rule is totally silent on this aspect. ma'am.
We don't know.
In my understanding, ma'am, we will go to the election tribunal because factual things are also there. My understanding.
Matter of living evidence, leading evidence, or we don't know. Yes, think it over. Heard Mr. R. Ali, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, as Dr. Learned Standing Counsel, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the response number 134. Mr. N. Goswami, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the response number 2. And Ms. P.B. Kayastha, Learned Counsel representing Mr. R. Dubey, Learned Standing Counsel, Assam State Election Commission for the response number 5, first of the petitioner. And the response number 6, contested for election for a post of a ward member in which panchayat?
Ward number 5 of Kupati.
Where have you
28 number.
stated? Which paragraph? Which paragraph?
Paragraph, I'm seeing in synopsis.
Synopsis, not in the body.
In the body, my lord.
Not in the body. Word number 5.
Lordship. 4, my lord.
28 number,
7, my lord.
Gotawari, Kopatia, Gaon Panchayat. Paragraph 4.
Paragraph 4, my lord.
In the Panchayat election, Panchayat general election held on 7/5/2025. Post of when the results were declared, the response number 5 was declared elected. Post of. But it is a case of the petitioner that, as per section 111, two B, comma, no person shall be elected or co-opted and remain as president, comma, vice president, or no person shall be elected or co-opted and remain member of a Gaon Panchayat who has not passed the high school living certificate or equivalent examination under any council or board recognized by the state or the central government, comma, as the case may be, for the post of Gaon Panchayat member. Post of. The response number 6. At the time of filing nomination, stated that she passed the HSLC examination from the state of Jharkhand, post of, as per the documents annexed to the writ petition, comma, obtained through the process of RTI, comma, the respondent 6 was shown to have appeared in the HSLC examination conducted by Jharkhand State Open School in the year 2018, comma, allegedly at the age of 50 years, comma, from Durga Public School. First division. See the sincerity. Full stop. The petitioner has asserted that the Jharkhand State Open School is a bogus and fictitious organization which has no authority to conduct HSLC examination and to issue pass certificates for class 10 standard. In the state of Jharkhand, it is stated that in the state of Jharkhand, it is only the Jharkhand Odhiniyam Parishad Ranchi, which is the only recognized board. And the state government has not given any recognition to Jharkhand State Open School, Ranchi. Post of. It is thus the contention of the petitioner that the Rasmanas 6, despite being elected, cannot remain as a Gram Panchayat member. Post of Mr. Dottal, Standing Council. Panchayat and Rural Development Department has submitted that from the provisions of the Assam Panchayat Act 1994 as amended and the Assam Panchayat Constitution Rules, 1995, it appears that the petition has to approach the election tribunal by way of an election petition for redressal of such grievance. First of the matter require consideration, issue notice, returnable in so-and-so as Mr. So-and-so and so-and-so appeared. No formal notice, extra copies, 2 working days. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice. I want the response number 6 by speed post within 2 working days from today. The issue notice returnable on
1st December, 1/12.
But one observation, my lord, the appeal pending with the DC, my lord.
You have prepared any appeal? It is
That's
observed, the petitioner has stated that the petitioner has already approached. Petitioner had earlier preferred.
Page 23, my lord.
Preferred an objection. That is gone. That time is gone, I think. Before the returning officer. Municipal board, I know there is a period of limitation. Whether there is such. Returning officer, he has become functus officio perhaps after the election. We don't know. Let it remain.
Supplementary list, item 37.
May it please your lordship. Lord, I have approached before the honorable court against the order of some board of review, lordship.
Mutation.
Lordship.
Everywhere.
At this stage.
On the basis of
unregistered sale deed, lordship. Lordship, at this stage, may I pray for issue of notice, lordship?
whether it requires notice or entails dismissal.
Notice.
What is to be done at a later point of time, it can be done now also.
Lordship, at this stage, notice may please be issued.
Why? It cannot
Because
be.
this order is passed by the Assam Board of Revenue illegally.
Right? Everywhere unrestricted. It is your own statement. No title can be derived.
Lordship.
If no title can be derived, no mutation can be claimed.
I live before your law.
Yes, mister. It appears that it would amount to flogging a dead horse already. Horse is dead only. Everybody, me, you, and you, will flog a dead horse for some time. See the statement, unregistered sale deed. So apparently,
Lordships,
we'll decide
lordships.
on, you show us anything substantial
Lordships.
on a hearing that, because today we will be rising early, we have a long board. So let it be on. Eleventh, Tuesday.
Lordships,
Show us some law.
lordships.
And R. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has sought listing of the case on 11/2025 to make submission as regards the right of the petition to claim mutation on the basis of an unregistered sale deed. Mr. N. Goswami, Learned Junior Government Advocate for the state respondents is in attendance. List the case on 11.
Item 39.
Good morning and others. No eviction notice as per your synopsis.
My lord, no, my lord, notice has not yet been issued, my lord. And my lord, nearby villages, my lord, had already been demolished by only giving a notice of 3 days or 7 days time, my lord. And my lord, thereafter the matter, my lord, came up before this honorable court in some of the cases, my lord. And matter went to the honorable division bench, and division bench has framed a guideline, my lord. That, my lord, 15 days time should be given. And my lord, and thereafter that division bench order, my lord.
That division bench order?
That division bench order, my lord, has already been assailed before the honorable apex court also.
Stayed.
Status quo has been directed to maintain among the parties, my lord. Of that, my lord understanding, if the parties word has been used, my lord. So therefore, those appellants and the respondents are there, my lord.
That will be limited to them only.
Only, that's why, my lord, that my respectful submission before my lord is that. My lord, here in the case, my lord, similar petition has been adjudicated of similar nature, my lord, wherein notice had not been issued. If my lordship allows me, my lord, I would like to draw my lordship's attention to this, my lord. Yes, it is the two last, my lord, same notice has been issued and an interim observation has been given. If eviction is going to be carried out, then, my lord, this notice should be given, my lord. So in this similar line, if my lord.
My instruction also says, my lord, in this number 3 Saleh Pathar.
No,
it doesn't. Immediately it is not contemplated.
Same village, same village, but different.
Salu Pathar.
My lord.
Same
village, my lord, but the petitioners are different, my lord.
Okay, petitioners are different.
My lord.
Same then.
Same.
Anything.
Exactly identical. Even the respondents are also identical.
Same.
Respondents are also identical.
My lord.
So he changed the names only.
My lord, have to be because they are behind us, my lord, for our eviction.
No, in the petitioners, area of petitioners have been changed.
Changed,
Everything
my
is
lord.
same.
And their
So
description.
I'll also pass this order.
My lord, my lord.
Heard Mr. A.R. Bhuyan learned, but some cosmetic change.
Mild.
Learned counsel for the petitioners and Mr. P. N. Goswami learned additional advocate general Assam
Serial
elected
number
by
to the
Mr.
I call it.
I. Kolita learned counsel for the all.
Question number two, there are two tools, that's the difficult.
No,
And
no.
also same mistake happened.
Lord, we have current.
Because only petitioner's name have been changed.
The respondents are same, so there are two, respond number two.
Otherwise, all.
Well, I'm not accepting notice, but only my lord, the respond number three and one. My lord. One is
One.
Union of India, three is revenue.
Okay.
That one and three.
কিয় হৈ আছে এইটো এই নকৰিবা এইবিলাক
Take two cases together.
গম পাইছো ভেৰি ভেৰি
For the official respondents, other than the
One and three.
সৰু
this array is very difficult.
Mild. I'm sorry, my lord.
Other than the respondent Union of India and the respondents Revenue and Disaster Management Department. Post of Miss R. Borbujari, Lion Standing Council. Revenue and Disaster Management Department. Any Miss R. Devi, Lion Central Government Council for the respondent Union of India. And Mr. R. Borbujari, Lion Standing Council, Revenue Department. Also hardly do. Post of where DRF as per the text projected deliver. Issue notice returnable 6 weeks. As so and so appear accepted, huh? Very likable, Kolita likable. It may however be noted that in the area of respondents, so Mr. Bhuya has not made any effort. Has not made any effort. Two respondents have been marked as serial number 2. Same. Extra copies, 2 working days. Mr. Goswami, learned traditional advocate general, has submitted on instruction, that as per the instruction, the areas under number 3, Salupathar village, Salupathar, falls within Nambor South Reserve Forest under Gulagat Forest Division, as per notification dated 9/8/1872 and corresponding notification dated 17/10/1878. Post of. Yes, however, he has submitted that as on date, no eviction notice has been issued to the residents of village number 3, Salupathar. Post of. By interim order, last paragraph. Fine, same 15 plus 15 days.
Mild. Oblige, my lord.
Yes.
In this case, the silence is page number 73 and Excerpt Z.
Page number
73 and Excerpt Z. This is the impugn order
73.
passed by the.
Wait, let me read.
Yes, sir.
You are the appellant.
I'm the appellant.
We'll issue notice at this stage.
Lordship,
Two fact-finding authority.
Yes.
We are not fact-finding authority. Executive officer and appellate authority, both have.
only what I want to place, Lordship, this joint field verification that was done in my absence.
Okay, but at least
So,
two fact-finding
on the basis
authority
of-
has recorded. We'll issue notice at this stage.
Yes, Lordship.
Nothing can be done.
Moreover, my lord, one title suit is also pending between them and status quo is already there.
Then despite having that status quo, this order was passed. And it was not suppressed by us, Lord. So we have given the information. We made prayer, but despite that, they have passed the order.
Okay, let the other side come. Heard Mr. R. Sharma, Land Council, for the petitioner, Mr. S. Dr. Land Standing Council. Panchayat and Rural Development Department. In municipality, how you have come?
My lord, the appellate authority, the chief executive officer, Zilla Parishad, that is why.
Order against the order of municipality, I filed this.
Okay. For the respondent number 1,
Yes, 1 and 2.
3. Okay. The petitioner has assailed an order dated 19/9/2025 passed by the respondent number 3 as an appellate authority and an order dated 9/1/2024 passed by the respondent number 4. In
This
respect of an
9/1/2024
application filed by her regarding unauthorized construction undertaken by the respondent number 5.
Yes.
Post of it by the order dated 19/9/2025, the respondent number 3 as an appellate authority dismissed the appeal preferred by the petitioner. Thereby, affirming the order dated 9/1/2024 passed by the respondent number 4. Issue notice returnable on so and so has appeared and accepted. Notice, no formal notice, extra copies. The petitioner shall take stage for service of, who is, number 2? Okay, N. Musami Ligo, Junior Government Advocate Assam, for the respondent number 2. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, very good. Extra copies. Steps upon 4 and 5, register a speed post, AD, a speed post, 2 working days.
So that 9/1/24 should be 9/1/25. There is a typo.
9/1/2020.
1st December, 1/12.
Right.
Item 41.
May,
Hmm.
may I please, as your lordship? My lord, here in this case, my lord, our basic grievance is that we have challenged the notices and the proceeding which has been initiated, my lord. Basing on this, my lord, honorable division bench order and the other laws, my lord, that the forest land should be cleared, that policy is adopted by the government, my lord.
Lutumai.
Lutumari, my lord. It is under, my lord, Nagaon division, my lord, forest division. Return on case.
That is why. Why in English Kanpur?
My lord.
Page 147. Initially, I always read the vernacular.
My lord.
Thereafter, I go to the translation.
Sometimes, my lord, translation become wrong, my lord. Sometimes, my lord.
Maybe sometimes deliberate also.
My lord, on our,
No. You said sometimes. I also say sometime.
It happens, my lord.
But should not happen.
Should not happen, my lord.
And this court discourages this kind
my
of.
lord, and my lord, in my very limited knowledge, my lord, I have not, my lord, done it. Maybe a typographical.
Because why? Then subject matter
My lord.
in the body. You said Kanpur.
Kanpur, my lord, this.
It is also my duty to point out.
My lord, it is Kanpur Forest Range. It is in Nagaon district, my lord. Kanpur. It is not Kamrup, my lord. Kanpur.
Okay.
My lord.
Yes. Now.
My lord, the ground of basic challenge is that, my lord, as the present petitioners are, my lord, fall within the meaning of the forest dwellers. And, my lord, they have been allotted land also.
Forest dwellers.
Forest dwellers, my lord, and they have not been given.
Where is that forest dweller?
No, no, my lord, the forest, my lord, we are residing in the said area, my lord, and.
That does not make you forest dwellers.
My lord, I am, what my respectful submission, my lord, before my lord is dead. My lord, this area has been earmarked and notified as a forest village, my lord. Forest
So when
village.
Lutumai was declared as forest village?
My lord, may I please to find one notification we could find at page 116, my lord.
It's
My lord, page 116, page 117 is the Longjap Padumoni Atipara Forest Village, my lord.
Concept taking pursuance of cabinet decision meeting following down. This is Panchayat. Now, when the forest was declared?
My lord, the.
Lutumai.
That can be apprised by my learned friend, my lord, but the issue is that.
Once
my lord,
forest regulation is made applicable,
my lord,
then Assam Land and Revenue Regulation is not made applicable.
my lord,
Right?
my lord.
This is the
my lord,
law.
My lord, with once the, my lord, what I have found, my lord, once the area has been earmarked or declared as a my lord reserve forest, within that forest also under the Panchayat Act, my lord, under section 5, a forest village can be retained, my lord.
Let us see.
My lord.
Lutumai, any
Yeah,
idea?
yeah.
Lutumai. Then
my lord,
you were in this village.
Yes, my lord. We this, my lord, Longjap Padumoni is at page 117, my lord. Under, my lord, Borpani Gaon Panchayat and Jogijan Anchalik Panchayat, my lord. And our name has also been, my lord, incorporated in the voter list, retaining our residence in this area, my lord. And that apart, my lord, another issue is there. My lord, we have been given some, my lord, this call, my lord, Tongia land allotment, my lord. Some certificate has also been issued by the Forest Range Office, my lord.
Which one?
My lord, may kindly turn to page 130, my lord. The original one is below, my lord. The type copy.
Yes.
No, it should be Tongia plantation. Tongia.
This forest was notified in 1925. There was a forest management, village management rules method. But that also doesn't give another right of invasion. And Forest Conservation Act will also come in. But the Forest Conservation Act not extending any other law in the country, but on forest activities cannot be. So this Panchayat Act matter will be subservient to the Forest Conservation Act.
Panchayat is a party.
Yes, my lord.
Exactly identical cases, my lord. Petitioners were directed to file representations, my lord, in terms of the division bench of.
Yes, we have disposed of also.
Exactly.
Yesterday and
Yes,
before yesterday.
Yes, sir.
In a similar manner, same kind of.
Raise all these points before the authorities, my lord. And my lord will kindly appreciate one thing, my lord. Out of this, there are 114 petitioners, my lord. Out of that, my lord, 89 have already been served with evictions, that notice, my lord, notice of 15 days. And out of that 89, my lord, 32 petitioners have already submitted it.
Here in this petition, how many?
Out of 114 petitioners, my lord, 89 were served with notice. Though they have said everybody has been served, not everybody. 89 have been served in notice. Out of that, 32 have already responded, submitted their representation. So all the petitioners who have been served with notice, my lord, they can respond. The rest, my lord, will not proceed without, my lord, following division bench.
15 days plus 15 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, my lord, we have challenged the notices, my lord. That the notice for us is not maintainable, my lord. Because we do not fall as an encroachers of the forest land, my lord.
That plea, my lord, they can take in the representation before the authority. If they're agreed, my lord, they can again come. Because otherwise, my lord, course of action will be different, my lord. Division bench has already.
No,
decided that.
I'm grateful to my learned senior friend, my lord. That is also another proposition, my lord. But only thing is that, my lord, as the issue we have raised before my lordships, my lord. If my lordship decide that whether we can reside there or not, if we
That
not,
is a final one.
that is final.
We are also on the interim.
My lord, my lord. Till the issue is decided, my lord, we may be protected, my lord.
We'll look into it then. I have to see
My lord, my lord,
all the procedures,
my lord,
all the procedures, all the laws,
my lord, my lord.
whether I should extend some interim order or not.
No, that only we can pray before my lord.
So, we'll examine it too,
My lord, maybe Monday, man.
or otherwise Monday.
My lord.
Monday? Till Monday, nothing is going to happen. 30 days period is still running.
My lord.
Okay. A.R. Priya, petitioners. P.N. Goswami, additional advocate general for the state respondents. And Mr. You are there? R, okay. As a standing counsel? Okay. R. Borpajai, standing counsel revenue department president, as sought for by the conservative parties, released the case on Monday.
311.
Obliged.
Today, actually, we have to rise early also.
References also.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. When the case was listed previously on 19/9/2025, none appeared for the petition on that day also. Full stop. No steps are found to have been taken. Despite upon the for service of notice, for issuance of notice, upon the respondent number 3, 4, and 6, despite orders of this court. Full stop. It was observed on 19/9/2025 that in case of default, in taking steps, appropriate order would be passed. Full stop. In the above pure matter, this court is of the view that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the petition further. Therefore, the petition is dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item number 20. In this case, my lord, on last day, my lord, was directed to take the address of the respondent file. My lord. We could not take, my lord. I may be allowed to.
It was last Sanj.
Oh, yes, lordship. So I pay for paper, please, lordship. Why, my lord, the address we has, I put, my lord, in the cost title. This is from the, my lord, we obtained from the, at page number 30. Page number 30 is the order. We put this order, my lord, the address was. Same address, lord.
So
Respondent number
respondent number 5,
5, page
Yeah.
number 30, there is,
Lordship,
respondent number 5 is circle officer.
no,
Hmm?
5, my lord. 4 is the circle officer.
Hmm. Which one?
5 address is put, my lord, we have.
Page
obtained-
number 30.
Yes, Lordship. This address we have obtained from the, my lord, page number 30.
This postgraduate training college.
Yes, my lord. This is the same address, Lordship. So, my lord, I pay for paper publishing, my lord. Dusty could not be also affected.
Okay. Have you taken Dusty?
Dusty, no, my lord. Dusty could not be affected.
Huh?
Address is not available in that place now.
No, you are saying they are in the adjoining plot of land,
Yes, sir.
right? That is a story.
Yes, sir.
Then how it is not possible to take Dusty?
My lord,
Both are adjacent,
yes, Lordship.
in
But
adjacent plot of land.
yes, my lord.
Is
At
it
present-
not?
Yes, Lordship.
That is a
At that
story.
time, Lordship.
And they are trying to encroach your
Yes,
land.
Yes, Lordship. At that time,
Still, the address will be same.
Lordship, but at the time, my lord, there is no address, my lord. The office is not there.
You
So-
take steps by
Then again, I have to
post
take-
as well as by Dusty again.
Dusty, my lord, could not be affected, my lord, because there is no office, Lordship, at that place.
If there is no office, then how can it be possible? The same address would serve no purpose.
Lordship. Therefore, I pay for my lord, paper.
That is why paper publication, same address.
Paper publication, if my lord, paper publish, then
Which address you will give in the paper publication?
my lord, same address, it will be same address.
You are saying it is not there.
No, my lord, if they are shifted to some other place, then they will.
That we
notice-
don't know.
They will notice the in the paper. Lordship.
We are not satisfied with your explanation, but both are in the same government plot of land. Both are trying to encroach upon other,
Yes.
right? And how can you say that you don't know the address?
That is why,
It
my
is
lord,
your story. Let us see your story.
my lord, at the filing of the, my lord, petition, Lordship, the address was there, Lordship. After, that's why, my lord, the steps were, my
See, both are encroaching government plot of land.
Lordship.
Huh? Mr. Goswami,
Our instructions they were pretty much.
your instruction awaited. Your story is that they are encroaching the land,
Yes,
your land.
yes, Lordship.
They come by flight or what?
No, well, at that time.
They are in the adjacent plot of land.
Yes, Lordship. But. at
And they
present,
have the
my-
allotment.
Yes, Lordship. At present, my
You
lord,
don't have any allotment.
Lordship.
We'll not go by that, your story. Who is the representative
Representative, my lord.
of the respondent 5?
I picked the, my lord, Amit Chetia, attorney holder and assistant.
See,
secretary.
having registered office
Lordship. They have given, my lord, in that order.
at
Lordship.
Arjun Bhogeshwar Borua Pot, and you are Bhogeshwar Borua.
Yes, Lordship.
Then Amrit Setia. Permanent address. Page 30.
Lordship.
Son of so-and-so. Bedbari Bukabil Gaon. Post office, PS, everything is there. He is the man.
Yes. Then, my lord, I may be allowed to take in that address, Lordship. In the page number 30 address.
Heard Mr. D. Gogoi, Learning Council for the petition. Mr. Gogoi has submitted that the petitioner may be allowed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 through the power of attorney, holder stroke assistant secretary at the address of the power of attorney holder stroke assistant secretary of the respondent number 5, that is Postgraduate Training College. And it is a society. Yes. As paid for, Mr. Gogoi is, current council for a petition is allowed to take steps. Upon the response number 5. Upon the at the address of the its power of attorney holder stroke assistant secretary, both by registered post AD as well as by Dusty. Dusty is routed to the registry compliance affidavit. Within the steps should be taken within 3 working days from today. And Goswami Learned Junior Government for the state respondents is in attendance.
Part heard method for admission. Item 21.
Oh, none of this. Yes, I thought today will be full day. Are you available tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Not tomorrow. We could have heard you
Tomorrow,
at length.
Actually, there is some festival at Calcutta home. That is why I will fly back to.
Jagadhati.
No, Lordship, tomorrow is that Ekadashi.
Okay. Because suddenly we found that there is a reference at 3:15.
Lordship.
Otherwise, we are open tomorrow.
Next Friday, some priority may be given. I am here because I have a matter in division.
Not next Friday.
7th.
7th is not possible for me. I have to travel on that day. Is it possible for you on 13th? Then we can give priority.
Lordship, then 12th also there is a matter here. I thought I will do it virtually, but I will come down.
Okay, 12th we will take up then. Tell Mr. Gogoi. Okay, Mr. Kanodia. A. Kanodia, Learned Counsel for the petition. And Mr. H. Burua, Learned Counsel for the Respondent Finance Department are present due to early rising of the cost for reference on the case could not be taken up due to paucity of time as agreed to by the Learned Counsel for the parties. It is the case on 12. We'll take up on that day. You just remind me at 10:30. Or somebody.
Lord, I will be there. I
12, 11.
interim order to continue.
Interim order passed the racial.
Great. Much of. Item 22.
Which one is this?
This is regarding the deduction of first royalty from the contractor bill.
Oh. There are two.
Mr. Das, he told me that he will seek for an adjournment, but at
Okay.
10:30 he was not there. May I pray, my lord, that matter may be taken up on a hearing date at the convenience of the court.
Okay.
On 13th.
Next week it is not likely. We can do it
on 13th.
13th. Mr. P. Hazarika, Learned Counsel for the petition is present. There were two earlier. What happened to another?
That other case, they were compelled to withdraw the case because that central fund came and it was supposed to revert because they have taken the money. By withdrawing the
Okay. H. Borua. You are H. Borua. M. Polita. Learned Counsel for the respondents is present. Release the case. As sought for and agreed to by the Learned Counsel. Release the case on 13th.
13th. Interim order.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue till then.
I'm obliged.
Item 23.
Yes, anything survives.
Lordship, this matter is become infructuous. Kindly.
Mr. Your name, please.
Arsha on behalf of Asnath.
R. Saha, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Asnath.
Asnath.
Learned Counsel for the petition has submitted that the subject matter of the petition has become infructuous. Post of Mr. N. Goswami, learned junior government advocate for the respondent number 3. Is present. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Sohechal, learning counsel for the petition, the petition is dismissed as infectious. This the petition being infectious, stands dismissed.
Item 25.
Stated the persons of land covered by so and so. A Khatian holder responding on the strength of so and so. And he has trying to take over the process. Respondent of 4 and 5, they have appeared. You are appearing. And Mr. Sami, 2 and 3. Do you have any intention to file counter? Yes.
This is second one, in the first one we have filed the.
File it.
File it.
Oh. You are for 4 and 5. Miss El Wajida, learned counsel for the petitioner. Miss G. Hazarika, learned standing counsel revenue and disaster management department for the respondent number 1. And Goswami, junior government advocate Assam for the respondent 2 and 3, and Mr. P. Hazarika, learned counsel for the respondent number 4 and 5 are heard. Mr. Goswami and Mr. Hazarika have sought for and are granted. How much time? 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondents represented by the post of the prayers are allowed. Release the case after 3 weeks for filing of counter affidavits
Item 26.
by the respondent number 2 to 5. 26.
Item 26.
Lordship, the matter may be taken up some other day because my senior is a flex.
State. Hendrik short time. Previous date. You have filed. So who have filed 2, 5, 6, 7, as well as 8, as well as 8. You have filed 2, 5, 6, 7, 2, 5. Yes, you are not filing. You are not filing. You don't have any role. So you are not filing any affidavit. We'll record that. Not record. Tell that we'll record so that next time you cannot say that 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Heard Miss
R. Shaha.
R. Shaha, learned counsel for the petitioner. Any Mr. Roy, you can represent CGC. Okay, anybody else? Mr. S.S. Roy, learned junior government advocate Assam for the respondent number 2, 5, 6, 7. Mr. Art Boro, learned counsel for the respondent number 4. NHIDCL, you do not represent. Okay. Mr. C. Sharma, learned counsel for the respondent number 8 are present. Mr. Boro has submitted that the respondent number 4 is not going to file any affidavit in opposition in this writ petition. On the prayer of the learning counsel for the petitioner, release the case after a week.
Lordship, interim may be
The
extended.
interim order passed until further order. On the last date. Until further order, shall I make it limited? Next date of listing?
Imagine.
There is no representation on behalf of the respondent number 3. To their own call.
Item number 29.
29.
Item 29.
Nobody is available? Yes, any CGC, any state council? Hmm? Huh?
Hendricks name before this. And for and.
Why there? Because if you have any instructions, huh? They might have received the money, they are not interested. Keeping us in dark. Any instruction? They have come that all documents they have submitted to receive the compensation amount.
Instruction not issued.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner. You don't call. Stop. Mr. J. Hendrick, Junior Government Advocate. Assam, for the respondent number 3, 4, and 5. Has submitted that he has not yet received any instructions in the matter. Stop. List and have sought for further fixed time to obtain an essay instructions. In view of non-representation, we have the petition to be on call and request made for time by the state respondents. This is the case after 3 weeks. On a date to be fixed by the office.
Item 30.
Wait, please, Your Worship.
It is what? Increase award amount.
Lordship.
Yes. Deputy Commissioner cannot
Cannot do
increase.
anything.
Now,
I cannot do anything.
has he forwarded?
About that instruction, I have this not received, but we already been communicated on my lord 1410.
Take instruction if he has submitted this as per seal and signature. This can be done only by the authority.
We have filed application. The Deputy Commissioner has to forward the application to the authority, Lordship.
Right.
That has not been done yet, Lordship.
We are post office. Right.
Authority is not yet.
Nobody does. One post office does not send to the other post office. So come to the High Court. Yes, Mr. Henrik, take your instruction specifically.
Whether it is sent or not.
Oh, yes. Though he says that please enhance. But we think that Deputy Commissioner also know the law. He knows the law that he cannot enhance. And if any application is made for enhancement, it is his duty to send it to the authority, principal judge of civil jurisdiction, within 1 month.
Even market value and solitium has not been considered.
That will be done, but he cannot do. Once he has done,
Lordship,
heard Mr.
M.I. Hussain.
Emma Hussain, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. J. Henrik, Learned 3, 4, and 5. PR Mohanto 1, Revenue. The petitioner is seeking enhancement of the compensation awarded to him by LA award number 16 in LA case number 1/2025-2026.
Lordship can dispose of this.
We don't know, it is forwarded, then we do not give infractions.
Not forwarding, my lord, he was.
You take your instruction. Mr. The application was made before the respondent number 2 on
2/8/25.
2/8/2025 full stop. Mr. Hendrik shall obtain instruction whether the respondent number 2 has forwarded the application as per law to the appropriate authority or not. Full stop. Lays the case on DOP. 14 or 12. 12. But you must take.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item 31 for orders.
It is your lordship. Lordship, the newly implemented respondent, we have taken steps. My lord, as per order, office note dated 12/8/25, neither AD card nor unserved notice.
Office note.
Office note dated, lordship, 12/8/25.
You have to take steps.
We have taken steps, lordship. There is an
Steps.
office note dated 12/8/25, neither AD.
12/8.
8, lordship, 25.
No, there is subsequent
Yes, Lord.
order.
Lord, there was some confusion that 7 was treated as respondent number 6. So lordship, in the office note, it is written as 6. But 6 pursuant to this lordship, 7 was updated in the CIS. And that
You
is.
do it first steps.
Lordship, we'll take steps.
I heard Mr. H. Vedal, learned counsel for the petition. Full stop. Peruse the office note dated 28/10/2025. Full stop. Para, the petition is directed to take first steps for service of notice upon the newly implemented respondent number
7, lordship.
7 by speed post. The steps shall be taken within 2 working days from today, leaves the case after 4 weeks.
And deeply will.
32.
Delimitation. Is it surviving?
I don't think so, well.
That is why.
Already covered. Because their allegation is that their releases, my lord, was moved to another person.
That exercise has been upheld.
Yes, sir.
Who is A.R. Talukdar? Okay, we'll not dismiss his case in his absence. Next time we'll. Or we can put it tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll dismiss.
I'll not avail my junior will be there.
There is no representation on behalf of the petitioner today on call. Full stop. Miss. The. As Dr. Learned Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department for the respondent number 1. Miss P.B. Gayasto, Learned Council, representing Mr. R. Dubey, Learned Standing Council, Assam State Election Commission for the respondent number 2. Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Junior Government of Assam for the respondent number 3 and 4 are present. Full stop. The Learned Council for the official respondents have submitted that the subject matter in view of as the delimitation process, the delimitation process of Panchayat constituencies were challenged in a batch of writ petition, and the delimitation process undertaken for the Panchayat constituencies has been upheld. Full stop. They have thus submitted that in view of the same comma, the subject matter of the writ petition has become infructuous. Full stop. Para, notwithstanding the above submission, comma, and this court is of the view that let the case, comma, for inch of justice be listed again tomorrow. It is with the observation that in the event none appears for the petitioner on the next date of listing, the case will be dismissed for non-prosecution.
Item 33.
Yes,
Also, this I is for correction of a minor typographical mistake.
any PP is available? You're there? Yes.
Lordship,
What is the correction?
Lordship, page 7, first paragraph, last line, Lordship.
Page 7,
Yes,
first
paragraph, last line, Lordship.
paragraph,
Yes.
first paragraph.
Complaint case number 920/2022. And the entire proceedings of complaint case number 920/2022. This should be, Lordship.
RDB Learned
2022.
Counsel for the applicant. Petitioner and Miss Das and Das, learned additional public prosecutor for the opposite parties. Full stop. The applicant as the petitioner has preferred the accompanying criminal petition, comma, criminal petition number 1018/2025 under section 528 Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita BNSS, 2023, seeking setting aside and quashing of an order dated 2/6/2025 passed by the Court of Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate Fodor, page 7, Morigaon, in complaint case number 920/2024.
24.
And the entire proceedings of complaint case number 920/2024. Full stop. When the petition was moved on 21/8/2025, this court, while issuing notice making it returnable on 19/9/2025, has ordered, in the interim, that the operation of the order dated 2/6/2025 and the consequential and subsequent proceeding initiated thereupon shall remain suspended till the returnable date. Full stop. The instant interlocutory application is preferred, stating that in the order dated 9/21/2025, a typographical mistake has crept in while giving the details of the complaint case. Full stop. It is stated that the complaint case, it is stated that in the order, it is mentioned as complaint case number 920/2022, quote unquote, instead of complaint case number 920/2024. Full stop. I have perused the statement and averments made in the accompanying criminal petition. Full stop. It is evident that the same is a typographical error which has crept in inadvertently. So therefore, the instant application is allowed. Full stop. It is ordered that for all intents and purpose, in the order dated 21/8/2025 passed in criminal petition number 1018/2025, the details of the complaint case should be read as complaint case number 920/2024 instead of complaint case number 920/2022.
Items 34 and 35.
Hmm. 34.
Lordship,
34 is
can
what?
take up-
IA.
Lordship, treatment of petition filing, Lordship, I am paying 2 days time, Lordship, objection.
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 But before that, Lordship will take up IA number 2219 of 2025. That is in connection-
2219.
That is in connection with WPC number 420 of 2025. They also have filed an application that the petitioner are not represented by them. It was by senior counsel M.K. Chaudhary. After I have filed this IA, they have filed an application for my lord, withdrawal of the my lord application. That is IA number 2320.
No, which one is 2320?
2320.
Withdrawal for which one?
WPC number 420 of 2025.
That is, okay, Mr. Koldia is there? No.
He's for Oil India Limited.
Okay, you are there.
That may be allowed, my lord, that withdrawal, my lord.
Withdrawal. You are there. Your name? Okay. If this is allowed, then 420 goes.
420 goes.
If
And
420 goes, then
I also goes, 2219 goes. No, that is, he is representing, my friend is
No, no.
representing the other petition.
no, that is item 34. We are into 35.
35, Lordship.
Hmm.
35.
35 and the IS.
And the IS. Those,
Of the withdrawal application file, subsequent petition was filed.
that is the other one.
Yes, Mr. Mohanto. Anything to say? No.
Lordship, regarding withdrawal, Lordship, I have nothing but implement, Lordship.
Your IA was for what?
I have filed 2 IS in respect of.
No.
Lordship,
Forget about Mohanto's case.
Mohandas case. My IS. for
You,
infringement.
in item 35, that is Khotong Pani Tea Estate.
Lordship.
You are the petitioner,
He is the petitioner. I have.
right? Then you filed an impleading application,
2219.
right?
And then
And he has again filed an
Withdrawal.
application for withdrawal. And you are party there.
That's one.
Mohanto is party? No.
He is not.
Sound.
The subsequent petition file, Lordship, become infectious.
2320. Okay. 2320.
All IS.
Heard, Mr. M. Rahman, Learned Counsel for Mr. P. Bharadwaj, Learned Counsel for the applicants. That's read petitioners.
Put a 1 and 2.
Mr. K. Kolita, Learned Counsel for the opposite party number 1 and 2. Opposite party does respond number 1 and 2. Mr. S. Roy, Learned Junior Government Advocate Assam for the respondent number, opposite party does respond number 1, 3.
And for 4 and 5.
Okay, Mr. A. K. Gupta, Learned Counsel for the respondent number, opposite party does respond number 4 and 5. Full stop. The Mr. So-and-so, Gupta, Rahman, Learned Counsel for the applicants of the applicants as read petitioners have preferred the connected accompanying read petition, WPC number 420/2025. Full stop. Mr. Rahman, Learned Counsel for the applicants read petitioners has submitted that the instant interlocutory application is preferred, seeking leave to withdraw the accompanying read petition WPC number 420/2025. Full stop. The counsel for the opposite parties, the respondents, have submitted that they have no objection to the prayer so made. Full stop. In view of the above submission made by Mr. Roman, the instant application seeking withdrawal of the accompanying writ petition WBC number so and so is allowed. WBC studio. Para had Mr. Opposite party to decide you. In view of the order passed today in the interlocutory application IA civil number 2320/2025 today, the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal, then IA to do. Heard Mr. PJ Soikia, Learned Counsel for the applicants. How many applicants? So many. Okay. Mr. K. Kolita, Learned Counsel for the opposite party. Respond number, opposite party number 1 and 2. Is it not? Or what? Bully Sharma. Bully Sharma is the applicant. Okay. Page. Okay, okay. This Kotong Bani, you, Mr. AK. Sorry, M. Roman. Learned Counsel for the opposite party number 1 and 2 dash writ petitioners. K. Kolita, Learned Counsel for the opposite party number 3 and 4 dash respondent number in there. WBC, you are respondent? Silo. Mila. 3 and 4. No, you are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. SS Roy, Learned Counsel for the opposite party number 5, that's respondent number 3. And Mr. AK Gupta, Learned Counsel for the opposite party number 6 and 7, that's respondent number 5 and 6. Post of. The instant interlocutory application is preferred seeking implement of the applicants as party respondents in the writ petition WBC number 420/2025. Post of. As the writ petition, WBC number 420/2025 has been dismissed today, has been dismissed on withdrawal by an order passed today. Bracket of it, date to the this interlocutory application seeking implement has become infructuous. It is accordingly ordered. Done. So now in the Mr.
I number 3.
Heard Mr. PJ Soikia, and Senior Counsel. Senior Counsel will give you you were not there in the other one.
No.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I did lick you. PJ Soikia, Senior Counsel. Said by Miss M. Nirola. I got to lick you. Heard Mr. PJ Soikia, and Senior Counsel, said by M. Nirola, and Counsel for the applicant. Single applicant.
Same 36
Applicants. And Mr. D. Mohanto, Learned Counsel for the opposite party number 1 and 2, that's writ petitioners, and Mr. AK Gupta, Learned Counsel for the opposite party number silo 6 and 7. First up. Mr. Mohanto has prayed for how much time?
This was filed way back on 29 September.
This is today only. He is thinking that notice will not be issued perhaps. Okay. Has sought for a week's time to file an objection to the instant interlocutory application seeking implement of the applicants as party respondents. Okay. The phrase allowed list the case on so and so.
I put 3 and 4.
Okay. K. Kolita. OP 3 and 4.
May I pray for 7th of November?
Items and already many cases have been listed, ordered.
In the case 12 minutes.
Some already?
14, 11.
14, 11.
12.
No, 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 even I remember at least passing orders.
It is only implement, my lord, that they cannot even.
Mr. Mohanto is coming up with objections, serious objections.
It's a prox.
14, 11.
No, 14, I'll have personal review, I'll be out of station, my lord.
10, 17, 17. I am fearing Mr. Mohanto will come up with serious objections.
On 19.
19, huh?
On 19.
Oh, senior Mohanto, look, 2 Mohantos.
As has been done in the first one.
Okay.
It's a proxy, my lord.
Good, good.
For hearing, item 36.
Yes.
In this case,
You are seeking what?
seeking your lordship, there is a mistake from the circle office. Your lordship, page 140, your lordship.
What are you challenging first?
My village, your petitioner's village has checked with another village, your lordship, Gaon Panchayat, and related to MLA constituency, your lordship. Wrongly,
Huh?
there is a mistake.
LA or what?
LA, your lordship. Page 140 kindly peruse, then your lordship will clarify. Page 140, the DC has.
They were directing the response to intrusion of friends of Kwang Gamoja instead of.
There is a inverted mistake and your lordship kindly page 140, the DC report your lordship letter, then your lordship clarify.
140?
140, your lordship. Letter issued by the district commissioner to the Civil Electoral Commission. This is the mistake one.
You want to say you should be in Kwang LSC.
Lots. Originally, we are from Kwang LSC, and earlier it was Moran LSC, 115 now. And my DP was Kwang Gaon Panchayat, but erroneously it is report, it is shown against Kwang Kololwa Gaon Panchayat. That's why it is my village is included in the King Kong LAC and we are facing difficulty.
So how it is to be done? It has got the position of law.
Because
Now, is there any way out?
Directly he's seeking amendment of the final delimitation order. That is published like a notification. And Lordship, and in fact, that was shown in the draft, during the, when the draft proposal was published, no objection was filed from their end, Lordship. So at least this seeking an amendment, Lordship, will.
without hearing your lordship, that without our knowledge it was done, because
Knowledge,
Without hearing-
we don't accept that.
Because-
That knowledge is not there, because there will be definitely publicity prior
No,
to
yes.
that, as per the as per the procedure laid down. Thereafter, it may be a case of
no,
non-participation.
your 115, your lordship, and peruse that notice I have annexed, your lordship. It is start from 93 and relevant portion, page 115. That only Gaon Panchayat note, village name is not.
Now, this is a serious issue, it cannot be heard in 10 minutes.
I
This
think
is not a, you may, for you, it is serious, not serious, very trivial issue. But
But
from the constitutional bench
there is a bar-
decision,
there is bar-
it is not a
But
trivial issue, sir.
Right.
You say, okay, this may be shifted, this may be shifted. But it is not the issue. It has taken the position of law. This is not the same that, oh, you shift it,
No.
just issuing an office order, block BDO can do it. Whether Parliament can do it or not, or court can do it or not, that is the issue. It is not that easy issue, sir.
in fact, there is bar also in.
Bar, yes,
But
yes.
I have no, there is a bar. but
yes,
there is a-
that otherwise in Delimitation Act
Limitation,
or in the
Representations of people like.
People Act,
In-
right? Plus the judgments of the courts from the Supreme Court as well as this court. So how the bar can be removed? And it is not that the process was not followed.
Process not,
Process was followed.
process followed, I have annexed that notification.
Some other day, Mr. Islam, we don't, it is not a trivial issue.
Sure.
Okay. As Islam, petitioner. A.I. Ali, Standing Council, Election Commission of India, and Mr. You are there. As Dr. Leonard Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, Mr. S.S. Roy, Leonard, Junior Government of Assam, are present. As sought for with the Leonard Council Board of Parties, leads the case on. When? Think it over, 21, otherwise, from a statutory point of view and from precedential point of view, your petition entails dismissal. So carve out an exception. You have to point out specifically,
This is right.
right? I have understood the problem. Otherwise, next delimitation process. Yes, Mr. Loskar.
Lordship, item number 29, I am sorry, I was on Lex in court number 19. Lordship has said that after 3 weeks, my name may kindly be reflected.
Okay, MS
Item
Loskar
29.
লিখি দিব। Item number কিমান আছিল?
29 is
29. We have granted time, I think, to the other respondents to
to,
file their response.
yes, I am deeply aware.
Hmm? Okay, the name of the Leonard Standing Council, Panchayat and Rural Development Department, and who else
Here already sold. Yes, that's right.
is to be reflected in the cause list.
Hello.